What did you see in the theater?
Before eyes problem.
AIDS? Okay. Okay.
It's my daughter dancing.
Oh, okay. Good. So that was yesterday?
No, evening in
Saturday? Oh, okay. What else happened this weekend?
And homework.
Okay. Work happened.
We go to went at the гости.
Okay, you were guests?
Guests.
Where?
We went
To somebody else's, to your friend's house?
Yes.
Okay, what did you do there? What did you do there?
We danced.
Okay.
Sing.
Okay, good. Alright. Good. What else happened this weekend?
I with my daughter, we went to the park.
Okay. You went to the park together. Good. Good morning. Morning. No problem. Tell us about your weekend. Did you have a good weekend? Okay. What happened? Pardon?
I go
To the mountains? Oh, good. Skiing?
ski.
Okay, I went to ski. Yeah. Good. And did you have good weather? Was it good weather? Yeah, it was okay. So, what happened last time? Who remembers what happened last time? Pardon? Auxiliary. Okay. Auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb, good. What else?
Time.
Yes, right. We talked about telling time. Good.
Dialogue.
Mm-hmm. What was the dialogue about? Okay. Who were the characters? Who was playing?
Three people say about
About what? Okay. They want to buy something. What did they want to buy? What did they want to buy? Jacket.
Shoes.
Bracelet. What else?
And camera.
And a camera. So I don't want to lose any time. So we'll get right into our grammar today. And we were talking about the auxiliary verb, correct? Last time? Talking about... Thanks. About the auxiliary verb. So, the auxiliary verb. And we were talking about the first three. Which ones did we talk about?
May, to be.
May,
Might.
should. Okay, and we talked about what they mean, right? Talked about what they mean. May, might, and should. Today we're going to continue with our list. And the first one is basically the same thing as should. Okay, because it's ought to. Okay? Ought to. And ought to is the same thing as should. Okay? Ought to. And the second one, 90% certainty. Yeah? She ought to do well on her test. Yeah? She should do well. 90% certainty. So, same definition. Ought to and should, you can use whatever. Okay? Ought to, should. Same thing. Yeah? No difference really. Okay. The next one is had better. Okay? Had better. What do you think had better means? If I say, you had better come to class on Wednesday. Come to class means I advise you, but if you don't come, something bad is going to happen. Okay? So it's advisability with a threat of bad results. Okay? So, advisability with a threat of a bad result. Something bad is going to happen. You had better come to class. Okay? It's stronger than should or ought to. You had better. Otherwise, if you don't come, there's going to be problems. Okay? You had better come. So, advisability with a threat. A threat, do you know what a threat is? A threat is...
Right. If somebody, you know, if you have a friend that likes to do very different stuff, very crazy stuff.
Если, например, у вас есть друзья, которые постоянно что-то делают из ряда вон выходящего.
He likes to joke all the time.
Если, например, они
To joke.
шутят постоянно.
Right? Then you call him, oh, he's a nut.
И тогда вы тоже можете сказать, да, он тоже орех.
Okay. But anyway, nut is also, right, a food.
Но помните, что нат это пища.
What's this here?
А это что у нас?
Ice, right? This here. Ice. Okay. Juice, right? How do you spell juice?
G. U.
No.
Вы
Why
сказали
not?
G. Почему J?
J. Right? J, U, I, E, E. Okay. So how do you say this letter?
Как вы эту букву произнесете?
G, G, H, S, S, C, S, G, J, C, J.
Okay, very good. So, we're finished with the vocabulary there.
Нашим словарным
Remember,
запасом.
may I?
Помните, мы на прошлом занятии проходили это выражение с вами. Можно мне что-либо сделать?
May I?
Записывали? Посмотрите в экране.
Okay. May I erase this?
Можно стереть?
Yes. Okay. Now remember, okay? Next time I ask you, how was your weekend? Or how was your day? Okay?
Пожалуйста, это выражение помните, потому что в следующий раз он вас спросит, каким был ваш уикенд, ваша рабочая неделя, ваш день.
Okay, so today we have a lot of grammar to cover in just a short day.
Сегодня у нас с вами очень много грамматики.
Okay? So I will go fast, but please, if you don't understand something, raise your hand. Verb to be, yes. Alright, we start in the auxiliary form.
Мы с вами изучали вспомогательный глагол to be.
Okay. To be. No. Okay. was it for I? I
Какой глагол мы подставим за слово I? Я.
am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Okay? What about the short form? Remember short form?
Помните краткую форму, сокращенную форму?
How would you say it?
Как вы скажете?
I'm your, his, she's, its, were, then your, and the last one?
Последний.
There. Okay? Right? Always using the apostrophe.
И давайте вспомним, что мы всегда используем апостроф, а затем второй глагол, то есть вспомогательный глагол.
Okay, I'm. How do you say it in the negative?
Как вы скажете в отрицательной форме? I'm not.
I'm not, right? I'm not, or I'm not. So for the question here,
Для вопроса, для вопросительной формы.
right? Am I not? But what about
А если у нас будет такой вариант? Вот такой.
remember, I'm is the only one
Помните, что я это единственное число,
that these two combine and not is by itself,
и соединяются только I и глагол, а not само по себе.
right?
Помните, да?
And the rest, you aren't,
А здесь у нас наоборот глагол соединяется с частицей not.
right? He isn't, right? So how would you form the question?
Итак, как вы
Aren't you? But that's only when it's negative, right? Can you combine here also in the question?
Вот эту форму вы можете использовать только в отрицательно-вопросительной форме. Помните, да, об этом?
Okay. Verbs.
Сегодня мы с вами разберем еще два вспомогательных глагола.
Actually, I'm sorry. We will do something right before that.
Но прежде чем мы приступим, мы что-то полезное с вами сделаем.
We will look at. There are.
Посмотрим на оборот выразительного.
Okay. So we see the verb to be there, right?
Итак, у нас с вами здесь есть глагол to be.
Okay. But we see this in front, there.
Ну вот еще одно слово впереди.
Does anybody remember what this means?
Кто-нибудь помнит, что это значит?
By itself.
Само по себе.
Remember? Здесь.
Помните?
Right? Here.
Здесь.
There.
Там.
Right? Okay. So this is the same word, but it becomes some.
Другой оттенок.
Okay. In this context, the word there is an expletive.
В этом контексте